Ready?
A Christmas isn't complete without this classic treat on the table. And today we are going to make this traditional British Christmas pudding cake. Hey everyone, this is Erwina and welcome to our channel. This Christmas cake may look complicated because it seems like a lot of ingredients, but it's actually very easy and simple to make. For the complete ingredients and step-by-step, you can check in the description box or you can print them from my website at erwinaandtheboys.com. So, get set and bake!
This is 5 cups of dried berries and golden raisins. So it's cranberries, golden raisins and cherries mixed, soaking for 24 hours. 2.5 cups of chopped dates. 3/4 cup of butter, which is a stick and a half or 12 tablespoons. I need 1/2 cup of molasses, 1.5 cups of water, so dark brown sugar, 3 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons of powdered ginger, 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves.
First, soak the dried fruits in a black tea overnight, or if you like it boozy, you can soak them in dark rum for a few days. Now it's time to melt the butter. After the butter melts, add the dates, brown sugar, molasses, and water. Bring to a gentle boil and very slowly simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the dates soften. Make sure to stir often and cook more until it becomes a thick paste. Remove from the heat and allow to cool for at least 30 to 45 minutes. When it cools, stir in the beaten eggs. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. Sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and all the spices.
Baking powder, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, clove, allspice, nutmeg.
Add about half of the dry ingredients to the date mixture and fold in until almost completely incorporated.
You won't like it.
Now add in the soaked dried fruit and then finally the last half of the dry ingredients. Transfer the batter to the prepared pan and spread evenly. Bake in a preheated 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the baking time will depend on the pan you are using. We use 9-inch spring foam and it took about 2 hours. Cool the cake for up to an hour in the pan before turning it out onto a wire rack to cool completely to room temperature. You can serve this Christmas pudding cake at room temperature or slightly warm. And if you like, store the cake in an airtight tin. Leave this for until a week or 2 before Christmas and serve with rum sauce. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, when you make it, please drop a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Have a very happy Christmas and a wonderful New Year.